Thousands of awards are handed out every year, but tracking the specific names on those trophies reveals the actual coordinates of global progress. In India, that trajectory is defined by the architects of the country's current state, starting with the individuals chosen for the 2024 Bharat Ratna. This group included M.S. Swaminathan, the scientist whose leadership of the Green Revolution provided the food security that allowed the nation to grow. The honor also recognized the political and administrative work of L.K. Advani, a figure central to the country's legislative history for decades. National growth relies on specific systems, which is why the 2026 Padma Awards recognized 131 people, ranging from village-level activists to household names. The sports category demonstrates this range, honoring modern cricket figures like Rohit Sharma, alongside those preserving traditional martial arts and hockey. When these honors are viewed together, they show a country built on a mix of agricultural stability, political structure, and cultural icons. Beyond individual accolades, the internal operations of the country are reaching new benchmarks, such as the Rohini Gram Panchayat winning gold for its village-level e-governance. This standard of local maintenance is reflected in the Swachh Sarvekshan rankings, where Indore remains the top-rated million-plus city for cleanliness. That same focus on data and delivery led to the Poshan Tracker app receiving the Prime Minister's Award for Excellence in Public Administration. These localized civic achievements establish the administrative baseline required for a nation to effectively project its influence internationally. Does this domestic record of achievement translate into a higher standing outside of India's borders? The diplomatic evidence suggests it does. Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently received high civilian honors from nations including Norway, Ethiopia, and Cyprus. He also became the first global leader to receive the Speaker of the Knesset Medal, the highest parliamentary honor in Israel. This reach extends into the arts as well, with the Manipuri film Boong becoming the first Indian winner of a BAFTA in the Children's and Family Film category. Combining these diplomatic honors with successes in international cinema alters the way the country's soft power is measured by global peers. Increasingly, Indian organizations are receiving credit for addressing problems that cross international lines. Educate Girls became the first Indian organization to win the Ramon Magsaysay Award, a recognition typically reserved for solutions with a regional impact. In the environmental sector, Indian experts secured both the UNEP Champions of the Earth Award and the Ramsar Award for Wetland Conservation. These specific wins represent a change in how global solutions are sourced, as Indian innovators take on leadership roles in international humanitarian efforts. At the very top of the international system, the Nobel Prizes define the current limits of human knowledge and achievement. The 2025 Nobel Peace Prize addressed the struggle for democratic rights in Venezuela, awarding Maria Corina Machado for her work in the region. In medicine, the prize went to the discovery of peripheral immune tolerance, a biological defense you can remember with the phrase "Merry Fresh Shield." This animation shows the process in action, where the body creates a barrier to stop its immune system from attacking healthy cells. From securing the rights of a population to understanding the internal defenses of a cell, these honors highlight the front lines of current human progress. Finally, we turn to the entertainers and athletes who reach the peak of their respective global fields. In film, one battle after another dominated the year, winning Best Film at both the 98th Academy Awards and the BAFTAs. On the tennis court, Carlos Alcaraz was named the Laureus Sportsman of the Year in Madrid, confirming his place at the top of the sport. Whether it is a clean street in indoor or a discovery on the Nobel stage, these awards track a specific path of human development, one where potential is visible at every level.